niece called me early this morning, so I got up, threw on some clothes because she's in need of her personal care. It's that time of the month. So I went over to Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show y'all everything that I got. First thing I got her is something to put the items in. They have these little book bags, which come in clutch, so we're going to use the little book bag to put her items in. Next, we're going to do her pads. So if you watch my video, y'all know how I feel about these right here. Yes, they're the bomb. So I got her the overnights. I got her the super pads. And I got her some panty liners. Alright, y'all, next I got her some wipes. These rung up great on the Yuka app. So if you just see these, grab these. They have different scents that's unscented. Next, I got her these right here, which are the Power Stick deodorant wipes. And then I got her some hand sanitizer. She just may need this. She needs to keep her hands clean. I was thinking about it, I would have got her some hand wipes, but that should be good, and she can use her other ones if need be. Next, I got her some tissue. You just never know. Sometimes the bathroom stalls don't have any tissue at all, so you gotta think outside of the box. So she can use these, and she can also use her tissue for her nose and stuff like that. So yeah. Y'all, so this is her book bag, nice and full. So let's get this to her, and let's not forget the new pair of panties and a snack. So let's get these to her.